Plus, Oil Change 101. Things you need to know for the simplest car maintenance, but maybe you don't really think about that often. The Fleischmans are here. So we were talking about Oil Change 411. Howard, tell me a little bit about what we can expect. What do we do when we see that oil light come on?
Well, you know, fortunately, I get a chance to stand back and watch my people at the counter occasionally, and I realize that people are confused about oil changes. So let me turn that question to you and say, you're looking for a new place to have your oil change done. Where would you go?
I'd call you.
Okay, beautiful.
I would.
But normally people get on the phone and call and look for the best price.
Right.
Because that's the only way they know how to judge.
So is that
So do you
what we
think
should
the
do?
best price is the place to go?
No, probably not. That's not who I want to trust with my vehicle.
We should be asking questions like, is the oil API rated?
API.
What is the oil filter designed for? Will it go 5,000 miles, 8,000 miles? Simple questions, but nobody knows those questions, so they ask price.
Okay, so you need to ask better informed questions. So let's start with what kind of oil we should be using.
Okay, depending on your vehicle, the thing we recommend is never downgrade from what the manufacturer put in, okay? So be careful that there's some fancy words out there like semi-synthetic, okay? So semi-synthetic is nothing more than a conventional oil. Okay? But if that's what the manufacturer calls for and that's what you're using, that's fine. At 75,000 miles, you may want to go to an oil that actually does some extra things for the car.
Nice.
It helps lubricate better and it keeps the seals from getting hard and leak starting.
Yeah.
And then the best oil that you can get, no matter what.
Can we start at the best oil?
You bet.
Okay.
That's all I use is synthetic.
Okay.
Okay? Synthetic does a much better job for mileage, does a much better job lubricating, but it is a little more expensive. You can go more miles.
Okay.
The problem is, will the filter go more miles?
Uh-oh.
This is an extra guard filter. That makes you feel pretty warm and fuzzy, doesn't it? It's rated for 5,000 miles. So if your car is going to go 8 or 10,000 miles between oil changes, the filter's not going to make it. Some of the oil additives aren't going to make it. So the big thing is arm yourself, work with someone you trust, and let them guide you.
And then what does it say right here? It's a Tire Week, National Tire Safety Week coming up. A lot of people think about road trips, Memorial Day coming up.
May 29th, National Tire Safety Week. The reason we have it this time of the year is the heat's here.
Yep.
Tire pressure, tire pressure, tire pressure, keep them hot, keep them full. That will help you dissipate heat, and it'll make you safer on the road. And have your tires inspected this summer.
Okay. All right, fine. Whatever you say, I'm going to do. And maybe just get familiar with your manual a little bit as well, because, you know, you were talking about something's happening right outside our station. I know you can't not hear that.
Am I feeling okay?
I know. Howard, it's not you, is it? Okay, but you want to look and see what kind of oil that the manufacturer started with, and also that tire pressure. You can find that tire pressure in the inside of the door.
Exactly. The manufacturer's trying to tell you in lots of different ways what kind of oil to use. Dexos, which is a full synthetic. This is an oil cap off of a vehicle. In the owner's manual, it'll tell you what oil. You never downgrade, you always upgrade or stay with the same. And always use the right weights, like 520s. This year Ford, actually last year Ford came out with a zero weight oil, meaning the tolerances on that motor are so tight that you need zero weight in order to lubricate it.
So average price that we should pay for an oil change?
A basic
with
oil
the oil
change,
filter too.
A basic oil change should be in the $35 range. Okay. A synthetic oil change is going to be in the $60 to $70 range.
Okay.
That's including a filter that'll handle that extra mileage.
And I'll say it for you. You can go to Community Tire Pros and probably get that done, because we trust this guy right here. Howard, good luck with your surgery tomorrow. We're going to be thinking of you. Think of this guy tomorrow. Getting a new hip. We'll be right back, Arizona.
Ready to rock.